Apple Watch Series 7. Apple gave us a preview of the Apple Watch Series 7's more durable design, larger screen and new colors during its iPhone 13 launch event on September 14th. While we know a lot of the high-level upgrades, we still don't know exactly when it will be released or what processor it will run on. The Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399, just like last year's Series 6. International pricing wasn't clarified, but if it matches the current Series 6 pricing it would be £379 and $599. Based on what we know, the Series 7 seems like a modest upgrade compared to its predecessor that could be ideal for first-time buyers or those upgrading from an older watch. We know the Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399 and we heard a lot about the new color options for the aluminum versions during Apple's September 14th event. But we don't know much else about what pricing will look like across the entire Apple Watch Series 7 lineup. The Apple Watch Series 6 also begins at $399, so it's likely that the Series 7 will follow the same pricing structure. The more premium finishes typically drive up the price significantly. The 40mm Apple Watch Series 6 in a stainless steel casing with both GPS and cellular currently costs $700 through Apple, for example, while the company is selling the titanium model for $800. We do know that the stainless steel version of the Apple Watch Series 7 will be available in silver, graphite and gold, while the titanium edition will come in natural and space black. Much like the iPhone, Apple's new smartwatches typically get a new processor each year. However, Apple didn't make any mention of the Series 7's processor or performance during its September 14th event. Developer Steve Troughton-Smith said on Twitter that he found evidence showing Series 7 runs on the same processor as the Series 6 in Apple's development program Xcode, as 9to5Mac reported. But the company has yet to provide any confirmation. We know the Apple Watch Series 7 should have an always-on display that's 70% brighter indoors when the wrist is down. But I'm curious about whether we'll see any improvements outdoors as well, especially since increased brightness could be particularly useful in direct sunlight. Apple hasn't discussed any other details regarding improvements it's made to the always-on display, so we may have to wait until we try the watch to see for ourselves. The Apple Watch Series 5 and later all have 32GB of onboard storage, so it seems plausible that the Series 7 will have the same capacity. Apple is making some changes to the Apple Watch Series 7 software to take advantage of its bigger screen, and that includes updated watch faces. The company said new versions of the modular Duo and Contour watch faces will be available on the Series 7, but it's unclear if Apple has plans to similarly tailor other watch faces as well. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.